911, what is the address of your emergency?
Avenue.
Thank you. Tell me exactly what happened.
So there's a person using nitrous oxide. He is endangering his life.
When police and medics arrived at Nick Harbor's Southeast Portland home, they discovered a man unable to break from his addiction.
How long have you been doing this?
Despite knowing the harm to himself and seeing the heartbreak of others, he continued to inhale.
Would you like to go get checked out and maybe come down from this a little bit?
His craving for nitrous oxide was louder than reason.
It was a hard day. That was a hard day.
The 45-year-old survived his darkest days and recovered from the depths of addiction. He now leads a nitrous oxide support group called No to N2O.
This is the biggest health epidemic, I think, that people don't even know about yet.
For years, people used small doses of nitrous oxide as a party drug by inhaling the small cartridges used to make whipped cream. Recently, though, health officials have raised concern after a surge in dangerous cases. Social media is full of clips of young people taking hits of nitrous. In April, KGW spoke with a Gresham couple temporarily paralyzed after prolonged use of the gas.
I completely lost it and I couldn't walk. I had to physically learn how to walk again.
As nitrous oxide has grown in popularity, it's become widely available and is being sold in bigger and brighter tanks with candy-like flavors.
It really does kind of blow my mind.
And you don't have to look far to find it. A huge banner outside this gas station in Southeast Portland advertises Galaxy Gas, generic shorthand for nitrous oxide. Walk inside the store and you'll find a wide selection of loud and colorful canisters. What's your biggest tank you got? The enormous 4-liter tanks sell for almost $200. There are smaller, less expensive options available too. Plenty of them.
It is heavy.
We found nitrous oxide available all over town. It's sold in neighborhood mini-marts.
Can I see that Exotica whip?
In Oregon, you've just got to be 18 years old to buy it. Convenience stores have a variety of brands and flavors.
Fruit punch, cosmic grape, strawberry stardust.
And gas stations? It's as easy to buy nitrous oxide as a soda or a bag of chips. Just ask and it's yours.
Big sucker, huh? Space gas, strawberry stardust.
These products, with their fun-sounding names like Space Gas, are being promoted in bright neon lights and colorful storefront displays.
Some bold advertising for Whip It.
And online, customers can buy as much nitrous oxide as they want. eBay and Amazon have all kinds of brands, colors, and flavors.
So how's this legal? Well, that's where things get interesting. Federal law prohibits the sale of nitrous oxide for recreational use, inhaling it.
But companies can get around that if they say it's for food use only. Look closely. There's often a disclaimer in the packaging. This loophole allows them to sell it legally as a culinary product, say for making whipped cream.
Would you ever use something like this?
No, I've never in my professional career of baking in, 18 years, used nitrous oxide in any application.
Portland chef Lisa Clark, owner of Petunia's Pies and Pastries, says an enormous canister of nitrous in the kitchen just doesn't make sense.
If you're going to make whipped cream, typically you would just whip it with a KitchenAid, a mixer, and a whip attachment and sweeten it. You're not going to use flavored nitrous oxide.
This growing industry appears to have been built around exploiting this loophole. Mini-marts and gas stations suddenly have shelves filled with nitrous, sold in sizes absurd for chefs, but ideal for huffing.
I think that this is actually one of the biggest problems with why we're seeing this as a health epidemic, is because this is not even sold as something like alcohol or marijuana where it's designed to be ingested. This is being sold as a food service industry product.